The 2022 Kia Carnival replaces the Kia Sedona minivan and features SUV design elements that are distinctive enough to warrant a reclassification of the vehicle in the automaker's forecasts. But because Carnival still competes with Chrysler Pacifica, Honda Odyssey, and Toyota Sienna, Carnival is still aimed at practical people looking for maximum passenger and cargo space at minimum cost. Carnival 2022 offers seating for 7 or 8 people, depending on configuration, and is available in LX, X, SX, or SX Prestige trims. They all have the new 290 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. With the third-generation Sedona coming out, Kia is trying a subtle SUV design theme to set its minivan apart from the competition. Now, the crossover vibe is more pronounced. Pairing boxy technical style with clever seating configurations, impressive new infotainment technology, and various driving assistance systems, ADAS, and the notion that Carnival is something more than a minivan brings a ring of truth to it. The dashboard and controls resemble a crossover SUV rather than a minivan, and because you can see the hood through the windshield, Carnival feels like a crossover from the driver's seat. This design approach costs money for storage space, and not all trays and bins have a lined bottom, which can cause rattles along the way. Feeling stiffer and drier than most Carnival perforated Syntex materials, the Prestige SX genuine leather has no edge. Kia can easily drop it, and few people notice it. The front seats of the test vehicle offer both heating and ventilation, and the heated steering wheel is excellent for cold winter days. Kia provides several ways to open the power sliding side door, including a standard hands-free function. Depending on the trim level, they reveal individual second-row seats or a slide flex arrangement with center seats. The middle seat can slide forward to place the child closer to the parent or the digester far enough back to add really comfortable seating for 3 adults, provided you save the third-row seats. Kia built Carnival on the same modern vehicle architecture used for the K5 sedan and Sorento SUV. It is designed for passenger safety, although the results of the official crash test will be over whether the Kia Carnival is safe or not. At the time this review was published, neither the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, nor the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, conducted crash tests at the new Carnival.